Number 29, in order to solve absolute value inequalities, you need to split them because you actually have to solve them kind of twice. So in order to solve absolute value, the first one you write is exactly what it says. X is less than 4. Because if you take off the absolute value and x was positive, then x should be less than 4. The other one you have to solve is what if it was negative? And this is kind of how that works. X would have to be greater than negative 4. So you flip this sign, the inequality, and the sign of the answer, which makes this negative. Your actual answer, if you wanted to graph it, is between negative 4 and 4, open circles both places, and then colored in between. So the answers are anywhere in between 4 and negative 4, but not including 4 or negative 4. The next problem, we're going to do the very same thing. We're going to split this. We're going to write it first straight. X plus 3 is less than 8. And then we're going to do the flip on the second one. X plus 3 is greater than negative 8. To solve this, we'll subtract 3 from both sides. Subtract 3, subtract 3. X is less than 5. Here we'll subtract 3 from both sides. X is greater than negative 11. Now, to graph this puppy, you put a negative 11, because that's smaller, on the left, and you put a 5. These are both open circles, and x has to be less than 5 and greater than negative 11. So you color between those 2 points. For the last problem, we're just going to continue what we've already been working on. We're going to split this one. The first way we'll do straight. X minus 1 is greater than or equal to 5. The second way we will flip. X minus 1 is less than or equal to negative 5. Again, we flip the sign and the sign. We solve these the same way. Add 1 to both sides. X is greater than or equal to 6. Add 1 to both sides. X is less than or equal to negative 4. Negative 4 is smaller, goes on the left. 6 is larger. X is greater than or equal to 6. That's a solid dot, and it goes towards the greater than side. And x is less than or equal to negative 4. So that goes towards the less than